no.
Woman in White, or the Madonna, as she's called.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
I was
shit!
It's so beautiful. Yeah, I remember.
Mixed opinion. Credit.
Are you guys okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, Brandon?
If you need to, you can bring it to me and I can put it in the bag. Oh my god.
What?
That was a really horrific car accident.
Oh no!
I'm gonna get out and make sure the people in that car are okay. And I'm gonna call the police right now.
Oh no. I'm done.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
I'm really annoyed.
I'm calling 911.
Flash credit and get $75 towards your first sponsored job. Terms and conditions apply.
Anyway, fans go to cheer on their team. They're behind-the-scenes MVPs, ensuring everything is game day ready. Good to see you, Joe. Facing seats, every fan can enjoy every game. And Allen, who keeps her stadium running smoothly from the moment the first game starts to the last play of the season.
I didn't think I'd make it. I was in.
Ух ты, блядь. Стоять нахуй.
Ой, сука. Все.
Пидоры, блядь.
Что это?
Right here. This nigga just hit my shit. Yup. Dumbass bitch. Dumbass nigga.
Ёб твою мать! Ё-моё! Пиздец, заснял. Офигеть!
And real lessons. Keep your eyes on the road, always. If you must check something, pull over. That small choice can save lives. Every clip here is a real reminder. These people didn't plan to crash, but it happened. And it can happen to anyone. Drive smart, stay alert, and respect the road. And these are the lessons. When something goes wrong, panic makes it worse. Oversteering, slamming brakes too hard, or freezing completely.